Hi everyone, in today's video I will talk about Skill-Creator in Cloud Cowork. So in this video I will talk about Skill-Creator in Cloud Cowork, and maybe we'll start with what is Skill-Creator, because Skill-Creator is the skill that builds other skills. And this is, I think, pretty simple. It has 5 modes, so it can create, edit, optimize, eval and benchmark skills. First of all, I will show you where to find it and how can you read documentation about this skill creator, and later I will show you how does it work on the example from the previous video. To not make this video very long, I will just show you how it worked in the previous video when I created a Monday briefing skill. So we can start how to find the skill creator and how to actually know that it actually exists in Cloud Cowork. You have to go into the customize section. In customize section you have the section of skills, and here you have the skill creator. This Monday briefing skill is the skill from the previous video. Here you have the skill creator skill. So the description is basically exactly the same thing that I showed, that I told you before. So create new skills, modify or improve existing skills, and measure skill performance. Use when user want to create a skill from scratch, edit and optimize or optimize an existing skill. Run evals to test the skill, benchmark skill performance with variance analysis, or optimize a skill's description for better triggering accuracy. So this is how it looks like. If you are interested in the more specific information about the documentation of this skill creator, you can actually go into here and you can actually read it. I'm not going to do it because I don't think it's necessary and interesting, because this are technical information about it. In the case of this video, I will just show you how does it work. So I also asked, first of all, the AI model, what mode do you support for skill creation? And we have the answer. So first of all, I support skill creation through the skill creator skill, which covers creating new skills from scratch, editing and modifying existing skills, optimizing a skill description for better triggering accuracy, running evals to test skill performance, benchmarking skill performance with variance analysis. And now I will show you how does it actually work. So I'm not going to create a new skill. I will just go to the previous chat right there, and I will show you what basically the session from the previous video. So I asked to build a skill called Monday briefing. It doesn't really matter what it should contain, but how does it work? First of all, we are running a skill, and the skill, we have only one skill in that session, which is skill creator. So as I said, skill creator allows us to create a skill in Cloud Cowork. Then we are doing some things, but the main and the most important thing is the progress. So we are writing monthly briefing skill empty, and as I said, we can also evaluate the output or benchmark it. So first of all, we are creating the evals.json with 3 test cases. We are running these test cases in parallel with the skill plus baseline. We are grading the output and generating the eval viewer, and we are packaging and delivering the skill. So this is how does it look like. Cloud Cowork needs to basically check if the skill that it is creating is correct, because it will not produce you the skill that doesn't work every single time. It needs to verify that, and will only give you a skill if it is correct in, I would say, 99% of test cases. So this is how it works. Of course, you can also edit that skill or improve that skill by asking that in a prompt. Maybe I'm not going to do it. You can test it on your own, but it is actually working. You can also use the skill creator. You can actually also go into settings, and you have this monthly Monday briefing skill right there. You have the information how to trigger that, and this is what skill creator created me. So this was my input. This was my input right here, and this what Skill-Creator created me right there. So these are the instructions, and here we have the description. So this is basically all. This is how the Skill-Creator works in Cloud Cowork. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.